How's it going, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to factorize. I'm going to show you the other stages, the base stages, like now, and then later on when x has a number in front of it. So to start off on the left hand side here, like pink side. So when this is called when you expand brackets. Probably gets into foundation paper, or you could get in high paper. But when you expand the bracket, so the thing I learned is like it's like when you expand it, you do sort of like a smiley face. So, or you just think the factual way, each number, so the x has a times by the x and the 2. So the x is times basically the whole bracket, but I think it's easier to go with the smiley face. So then you go that. So that's what we're supposed to times by. So that makes x squared plus 10. So that's that done. That one there, and that one there. Then you get plus 5x plus 2x. You did this one and that one, and then you just simplify it to make it x squared plus 7x plus 10. That's done. That's when you just expand it and simplify it. But then on that right hand side here, it's when you have to put it into brackets, and sometimes people don't understand the way of doing it. But it's basically the one with x in, this one, is them added, two numbers in each bracket, so like this one, the 5 and 2. So, and this one here is the times one. So if I put that in, you will start just do this, because they both need to contain x like that. So two numbers that will multiply to make 6 and add to make 5. So it's going to be 3 and 2. So you can go either way around, doesn't matter. And then plus 2, because this one times to make each other and add to make this. Yeah. Just take this one. I'll give you a example question on how to add them, to put them into, to factorize them. So this one here, x squared plus 6x plus 5. If you want, you can try this question and then I'll show you it in 2 seconds. Right, so something to add to make this and times to make that. So think about first, what's multiple of 5 is a prime number, so it has to be 1 and 5. So x squared plus 1 x plus 5. See? That easy. But now, when it gets a bit harder, that's more when you get questions like thick. Here we go. Like this sort of. This when you use a different way. So when it becomes like 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. You think like, ooh, what am I doing here? Because you can't have multiple 2 many times to make 5, because 2 is prime number. But then you have to basically just screw this number here in the middle. You use that for later on. So I'm just going to circle this. You use that later. So this is basically trial and error, but it's very easy for this one because there's only 2, and there's 2 numbers that go into it. So you start off like this: 3x. So I'm gonna try maybe plus 2 x minus 1, because when these two multiply they make minus 2. But to see if this is right, you have to times this by that. Why is not my pink one? Thank you. Times this by that, and this by this, and I'm together. So 3x times minus 1 is minus 3x, and then plus 2. X equals minus 1x. X. That doesn't work, does it? Because this number here is supposed to be the same as the number in the middle here. So that doesn't work. So you have to basically just try it again and see which works the best. So you just change the numbers. Use the same numbers, but you just change them around a bit. Maybe like minus 1 plus 2. So if we times this by this and that by that, 6x minus 1x equals 5x. See? So these are the same. So that's the right one. But I'm gonna do another one of these because these are quite hard to. But I'll give ones that there's more options to. Right, so I'll just try this. So 6x plus 13 x plus 5. This is quite easy because there's not a negative in there. So right. So it's good because 6 now is a multiple. So now you can 6 here is a multiple. So now you can make it 6 in one bracket and x in the other. So you can make it like this: 6x or x, or you can make it 3x and 2x, or the other way around with these two. So this leaves more ways of doing it, and there's probably many answers you can get. So 5 and 1 is always a prime number, so that's 5 and 1. So I'm gonna do 3x and 2x. Nice. I can see straight away what numbers are going to go in, but I'm gonna, so a 5 would go here, and the 1 would go here, because 3 times 5x is 15x. No, it doesn't. Well, alright, yeah, but I'll do it anyway, and then it doesn't. I was joking. So 15x. I was just tricking you. plus 2x is 17. That doesn't work. But if I try and change this around, it may work. So if I do 3x plus 5 and 2x plus 1. So 3x plus 10x equals 13. See? That is the correct factorized answer for this. So there's several different answers you can get, but you have to just try till you get the answer. But the thing is, it can trick you a bit, because if they're asking for what's called decimal place when you get that equation, then then and this is calculator test, but it can come in non-calculator as well, but it's going to be harder. You have to probably use the quadratic formula. You know, the minus b plus minus square root of b squared plus 4. Yeah. So like if I'm just gonna give an example now, but you can factorize this, but plus this was the other example I gave, I think. If they wanted this and you couldn't factorize it no matter how many times you tried, and it says 2 decimal place, you probably have to use the quadratic formula, which I'm gonna write down now. Minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, and that goes there. So you probably have to use it, and a would clearly be 2, so this will be a, this will be b, this will be c. If this was just an x, it will be 1. So yeah, that's it for that topic. Thanks for watching.